Welcome to English Journey, a place where your voice matters, where your dreams are real, and where your English can finally breathe with life. My name is Daniel, and I am here with you not as a teacher on a stage, not as someone far away, but as a friend walking with you step by step, holding your hand when you feel lost, pushing you forward when you feel weak, and celebrating with you when you rise. Do you feel that? That spark inside your heart? That quiet voice whispering you can do this. You are stronger than you think. You are ready? Yes, that is the voice we are listening to today. That is the fire we are going to grow bigger and brighter together. Many people believe English is only for the lucky ones, the rich ones, the ones who can travel to London or New York. But listen to me carefully. English is for you. Yes, you. Wherever you are sitting right now. No matter your country, no matter your background, no matter your accent. English belongs to you. Maybe you tried before and failed. Maybe people laughed at your mistakes. Maybe you felt embarrassed when you opened your mouth and nothing came out except broken words. I know that pain, I felt that too. But let me tell you something important. Failure is not the end, it is the beginning. Every mistake is a step forward. Every laugh from others is fuel for your fire. Every time you feel small, it is the perfect chance to rise bigger, stronger, louder. Right now, this moment, your journey is beginning again. And this time it is not about heavy grammar books that make you sleepy. It is not about memorizing long word lists that you forget tomorrow. It is not about being perfect in front of the world. No, this time it is about freedom, about flow, about feeling English inside your body, inside your soul, inside your heartbeat. Can you hear it? Boom, boom, boom. Your heart is already speaking in rhythm. One of the most powerful ways to unlock your English is something magical called shadowing. Maybe it sounds strange. Maybe you are thinking, what is that? But listen carefully. Shadowing means you listen to real English and you repeat immediately, like an echo, like a shadow that never leaves the body. The voice says, I am strong. You say, I am strong. The voice says, I can grow. You say, I can grow. The voice says, fluency is mine, and you shout, fluency is mine. Do you feel the energy? Do you feel your mouth moving faster, your tongue dancing, your brain lighting up? This is not boring practice. This is not sitting alone feeling tired. This is action, this is motion, this is life. And the best part? You do not need to understand every single word. You do not need to stop and translate. You do not need a dictionary in your hand, because shadowing is not about perfect meaning. It is about training your muscles, training your rhythm, training your spirit to flow with English like music. Imagine music playing. Your body cannot stay still. It wants to move. It wants to dance. In the same way, when you shadow English, your brain and your mouth cannot stay silent. They start moving together naturally, beautifully, powerfully. Now think about this. Just 5 minutes a day. Yes, only 5 minutes. If you do shadowing daily, your progress will shock you. At first maybe you feel shy, maybe your tongue feels heavy, maybe you forget the words. But keep going. Push, push, push. And suddenly, one day, boom, you realize your words come faster, your sentences come smoother, your voice comes stronger. You will stand in front of people and speak without fear, without shame, without doubt. You will look back and smile, asking yourself, when did this change happen? How did I become so confident? The answer is simple. Small daily habits built your fluency brick by brick, like a strong house that no storm can break. But remember, without emotion nothing grows. Without energy nothing changes. You cannot speak English like a dead robot, you must speak it with passion, with life, with fire. So when you practice, don't whisper like you are afraid. Speak loud. Speak proud. Speak like the world is waiting to hear your voice. Because the truth is, the world is waiting, waiting for your story, waiting for your ideas, waiting for your heart to speak in English. So today, my friend, promise yourself, not tomorrow, not next week, not when life becomes easy. Promise yourself now. I will practice. I will shadow. I will feel the fire of English inside me every single day. And if you keep this promise, if you stay with me on this journey, I swear your English will no longer be a dream. It will be your reality. Are you ready? Then let's do it together. Let's take the first step of many. Let's light the fire and never let it die. English is waiting for you, and your time is now. And so the fire begins to rise. Can you feel it? The energy from deep inside you is no longer sleeping. It is awake, alive, burning. Yesterday you were hiding behind silence, but today your voice refuses to be quiet. It pushes against fear, it pushes against doubt, it screams, "Let me out. Let me speak. Let me fly." This is your power. This is your freedom. This is your English journey becoming real. Think about all the times you stayed quiet in class, all the times you wanted to say something but swallowed your words, all the moments you felt your heart beating so fast yet your lips stayed shut. Do you remember the pain? That sharp sting in your chest, that heavy rock in your throat? No more. Not anymore. Those days are gone, those chains are broken, and now your voice will rise like thunder. Every single mistake you make will no longer feel like failure. It will feel like victory, because every mistake means you are moving forward. Step by step, breath by breath, word by word, you are building a new self, a braver self, a louder self. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine yourself standing on a stage, hundreds of people watching you, waiting for your words. Your palms are sweating, your knees are shaking, your fear whispers you cannot do it. But then, something happens. Your memory returns to this very moment, this very training, this very practice. And suddenly your chest opens, your mouth speaks, your English flows. People listen, people nod, people smile, and you realize the truth: you can. You really can. And the tears come, not because you are weak, but because you are finally free. Do you know what stops most learners? It is not grammar, it is not vocabulary, it is not accent, it is fear. That little monster in your mind that keeps whispering, "You are not good enough. You will make mistakes. They will laugh at you." Have you heard that voice? Of course you have. We all have. But listen carefully, that voice is a liar. That voice is a thief, stealing your confidence, stealing your chance to grow, stealing your dream. And today we fight back. Today we say enough. No more fear. No more lies. Only courage, only growth, only freedom. Your journey is not about perfect English, it is about real English. The English that comes from your heart, that carries your emotions, that carries your truth. Even if your words are not perfect, if they are filled with passion, they will shine brighter than perfect, empty grammar. So speak with your soul, speak with your smile, speak with your tears if you must. But speak. Because silence has never built fluency. Silence has never built dreams. Only action builds fluency. Do you remember shadowing? That echo exercise, that mirror of sound? Every time you shadow, you are not just repeating words, you are planting seeds. Tiny seeds of rhythm, tiny seeds of confidence, tiny seeds of freedom. And day by day those seeds grow. They grow roots deep inside your brain, they grow branches into your mouth, they grow flowers in your heart. Until one day you wake up and you realize, the tree of English is alive inside you. Strong, tall, unshakable. Let me ask you, what do you want? Do you want to whisper forever? Do you want to watch others speak while you stay silent? Or do you want to feel your own power, to feel your own strength, to look into the mirror and shout, "I did it"? The choice is yours, and the time is now. You cannot wait for the perfect moment. You cannot wait for life to slow down. You cannot wait for someone to give you permission. Because the truth is, the perfect moment never comes. Life never slows down. And no one will give you permission except yourself. So give it. Give yourself permission to try, to fail, to grow, to shine. Imagine this. Every morning you wake up and you whisper to yourself in English, "Today I rise. Today I speak. Today I win." Can you feel how powerful that is? These are not just words. These are weapons. Weapons against fear, weapons against doubt, weapons against weakness. And as you repeat them every day, your brain starts to believe, your body starts to believe, and soon the world will also believe. So promise me this, my friend. No matter how tired you are, no matter how busy you are, no matter how scared you are, you will not stop. Even if it is only 5 minutes, even if it is only 3 sentences, even if it is only a whisper, you will practice. Because those small whispers become loud voices, those small drops become rivers, those small sparks become wildfires. And you You are a wildfire now, nothing can stop you, nothing can silence you, nothing can hold you back. This is only the beginning, this is only part of the journey, but can you see it? Can you feel it? The door to fluency is opening wider and wider, and you are stepping through. With every breath, with every word, with every heartbeat, you are moving closer and closer to the speaker you dream to be. And when you look back one day, you will not just see lessons. You will see transformation, you will see courage, you will see the hero you became. So let's walk together, let's keep going. Your English journey has only just begun, and the fire inside you is only growing stronger. Are you ready for the next step? Then take my hand, take a deep breath, and let's move forward together, because the world is waiting for your voice. And so we keep walking step by step, word by word, heart by heart. Can you feel it growing inside you? That burning fire that refuses to die? It is louder now, stronger now, unstoppable now. Yesterday you were whispering, today you are speaking, and tomorrow you will be shouting your truth to the world. This is not a dream anymore, this is your reality taking shape. Every time you open your mouth to speak, every time your tongue forms a new sound, every time your breath carries English into the air, you are breaking chains. You are proving to yourself that you are bigger than fear, bigger than doubt, bigger than all the voices that ever told you, you can't. Remember those voices? Remember those faces? The ones who laughed when you tried, the ones who smirked when you made mistakes, the ones who made you feel small. Look at them now. Look at yourself now. You are still here, you are still growing, you are still fighting. And that fight is beautiful, that fight is sacred, that fight is yours. Close your eyes again and imagine standing in front of your future self, that confident version of you, smiling brightly, speaking fluently, living freely. Can you see it? Can you touch it? That version of you is not far away. It is waiting at the end of this path, calling your name, calling your soul, calling your courage. And all you have to do is keep going, keep speaking, keep believing. Life will not make it easy. There will be days when you feel tired, days when you feel hopeless, days when your mouth refuses to move and your brain feels heavy like stone. But those are the days that define you. Those are the days you must stand taller, breathe deeper, fight harder. Because it is in the storm that you grow strong. It is in the darkness that you learn to shine. It is in the silence that you learn to sing. Ask yourself this: why are you doing this? Why are you learning English? Is it just for a test? Is it just for a job? Or is it because deep inside you, you dream of connection, you dream of freedom, you dream of a world bigger than the one you know? If your reason is small, your journey will be small. But if your reason is fire, your journey will be fire too. So let your reason burn inside you, let it remind you every morning why you cannot quit, why you cannot stop, why you must keep fighting. Look around you. Millions of people are learning English right now. Some will quit, some will give up, some will whisper, "It's too hard." But not you. Not you. You are not like them. You are the one who keeps going, who keeps rising, who keeps shining. Because you know the secret. It's not about talent, it's not about being perfect, it's about persistence. The one who never stops always wins. And you are the one who never stops. Feel your heart beating right now, faster and faster. It's not fear anymore, it's excitement. That thrill of knowing you are becoming someone new, someone stronger, someone braver. Can you hear your own voice in your head? It's louder now, it's clearer now, it's full of power now. That is the real you, not the silent one, not the scared one, but the fearless one. The one who knows that the world is waiting, the one who knows that your voice matters, the one who knows that you are unstoppable. Think of tomorrow, when you walk into a room and you don't hide anymore, when you speak and people listen, when your words fly smoothly, naturally, beautifully. Think of the pride in your chest, the smile on your lips, the light in your eyes. That is your future, and you are walking into it right now. Every practice session, every repetition, every whisper, they are all bricks building the castle of your fluency. And one day you will stand on top of that castle, look at the road you walked, and you will cry tears of victory. So let me ask you once more, are you ready? Are you truly ready to rise higher, to burn brighter, to fly further than ever before? Because the truth is, nothing can stop you now. Not fear. Not doubt. Not mistakes. Not time. Nothing. You are a storm, you are a fire, you are a voice that cannot be silenced. And when people ask you one day, how did you do it? You will smile, you will laugh, and you will say, I never stopped. I never gave up. I never let fear win. I kept speaking, I kept fighting, I kept believing, and that is why I am free. So breathe deep one more time. Feel the air fill your chest, feel the strength in your veins, feel the courage in your heart. This is the end of one chapter, but the beginning of a new life. Your English journey does not end here. It continues every day with every breath, with every word, and it will carry you to places you cannot even imagine yet. Now go. Go with power, go with fire, go with joy. Speak loudly, speak proudly, speak freely. The world is waiting for your voice, and your time has finally come.